friends, we're going to be drawing Aiga Aisaka. I think that's how you say it. She's got lovely long hair. All right, so to start this with, we are going to draw her face, which is going to be kind of a V shape like that. And it looks like she's really quiet. She doesn't have a mouth. Then we're going to draw the top of her head coming down like this. And then we're going to draw the other top. It's got like a little bump, and then it comes down like that. There we go. And then her hairline is very zigzaggy. There we go, just kind of like that on the one side, and then the other side is zigzaggy too. And then she's got these great big eyes. So they're a curved line, like so. And I don't think she has eyebrows. Just like that. All right. Now we're gonna do her arms. So her arms are gonna start about where her chin is or so. We're gonna draw a little shoulder out and down, and then it's gonna come back up like that. Then we're gonna draw another arm coming up here like that. And then she's got a little wrist that is tucked in behind the other arm. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the other side, come out, go down, come across, and now this one's going behind this one, and it's coming back up, and she's got some little finger stuff there, little sleeve, and then it comes back down over there. And then she's got a little arm looking, top of her arm there, top of her arm there. And then from where her arms cross, comes up. And then she has a little neck. She's got a little collar, and it comes down like so, and it looks like she's got a little bow tie string, and then these hook into here like that. Okay, now she's got hair going everywhere in here. Oh, let's do her waist, I guess. Okay, so we'll start under the arm, come down, V, come across, comes down like that. And she has a little double pleated outfit going on. And we've got some little fancy buttons there. Okay, then underneath the jacket, her skirt comes out like so. And needs a little pleated. There we go. And then her legs come out from there. And she's got on some very tall leggings or stockings. Okay, now for all the hair. A lot of zigzags, a lot of curvy curves. pretty good. And of course the color is what's gonna add it. I just want to put a little mouth on her, but I guess not. We'll kind of get that a little more angular there. All right, hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Middle School Armenia. Have a great day, thanks.